on our Saturday's class. So guys, I think on Saturday we have started discussing about like for loop. Am I right? Yes, guys. We have started discussing about for loop, and I told you there are three statements which are present inside the for loop, like initialization statement, test condition, increment or decrement operator, and different possibilities also we have seen, guys. Like initialization statement can be any valid Java statement, and initialization statement will be executed only for once, and increment or decrement also we can write any valid Java statement, but it will be getting executed until the condition is false. And if you're not giving any condition, by default compiler will be considering that as true. And of course, inside the for loops, like for loop syntax, pretty much damn sure you should be having two semicolons. If you're not writing two semicolons, obviously we'll be getting a compile time error. So all these particular points we have seen in our Saturday's class, guys. Now, guys, actually, whenever we discussed about
Recording in progress.
Okay, whenever we discussed about wrapper classes, I think I gave you a small idea about arrays. Just a small idea, just a small basic idea. That's it. Yes. Yes. Now, for example, guys, if we are trying to create an array, I'm saying like if you're trying to create an array, sorry, an array will be created like this. Okay, just let me try to remove this. Okay, so did you remember this concept, guys? Like on wrapper classes, I gave a small idea that whenever we are creating an array, so an array will be created like this. So 0 is the index position, index position starts with 0 and length will starts with 1. I told you like this, right? Now, so guys, kindly please observe here. Just right now. Right now. So please observe here, guys. Void method 1. I'm having a method like this. Okay. Now, guys, there are different ways to create an array. Okay. There are a lot of ways are there, but just I'm trying to create with a simple way, that is int arr equal to like this. Int arr equal to, I'm passing and 50 like this. Now, if I'm creating an array like this, all these 5 elements will be present inside my heap memory like this. Means each element will be present in specific index position. So if I want to retrieve 30, guys, kindly please observe system.out.println ARR of what is the index position of 30? Index position exactly, ARR of 2, like that. Now just please observe here, main method. Now inside the main method, I'm creating an object, new class A dot method 1. Now please observe, right click, run as Java application, like this, 30. So what I want to say here is we can pass the elements into an array and we can retrieve the elements from the array with the help of what? We can pass the elements into the array and we can retrieve the elements from the array with the help of index values. Okay, guys, kindly please do remember this statement. Kindly please do remember this statement for me. Okay. like this. Okay, so what I want to say is we can pass the elements into the array and we can retrieve the elements from the array with the help of index values. Now what I want to do is I want to retrieve all the elements which are present in this array, complete all the elements. So if I want to retrieve all the elements, if I'm trying to write ARR of 0, ARR of 1, ARR of 2, it will not make sense, right? So let us try to use for loop. Now before going to use for loop, guys, can you please tell me what is my output here? ARR of 5. Tell me what is my output here in line number 9. In line number 9. In line number 9. Guys, this is the index position. Index position. Is 5th index position present in my array? Is 5th index position present in my array? The answer is no, it is not there. Only 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are trying to access an index position which is not available in this array. So we will be getting an exception. Array index out of bounds exception. Okay, so what I want to say here is we need to write the array index out of bounds exception. Now what I want to say is here index positions, we need to write whatever the index positions which are available. If we are trying to write the index positions which are not available, we will be getting an exception. Am I clear with this, guys? Right. So just let me try to write like this. Now this generates an exception, guys. This generates an exception. Okay. Now system.out.println retrieving the elements from an array using for loop. Now, guys, I want to retrieve the elements from my array using for loop. Okay, shall we do that? Yes. Let's go. So first write for. Okay, now can you please tell me why I'm getting an error? Why I am getting an error? Exactly. 2 semicolons. Very good. I'm writing 2 semicolons. Right. Now here I need to write initialization statement. Okay. Int, let me go with like I equal to 0. I'm writing int I equal to 0. Okay. Now condition. Guys, can you please tell me what is the length of my array? Length, not index. See, length is 5. Am I right? Means 1. Guys, I already told you length always starts with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means actually 5 elements are there. Okay, let me try to give a small condition. I should be less than 5. I should not be writing less than or equal to 5. You'll understand why I should not be writing less than or equal to 5. You'll understand that. Wait for it. And after that, I plus plus. I'm writing I plus plus. Increment operator, guys. I'm just incrementing. And now system.out.println ARR of I. I'm writing like this. Yeah, we can write like that also, Nikhil. No issues. Now, guys, please observe here. Int I equal to 0. Okay, I value is 0. Fine. First. Okay. Now 0 should be less than 5. Is this condition true? Is that condition true? Yes, the condition is true. Enter into the loop. System.out.println ARR of I. What is I value? I value is 0. Can you please tell me which element is present at 0th index position? 10. So first 10 will be retrieved. After that, all the statements are completed here. I plus plus. So I value will be incremented to 1. Okay, the condition is true, enter into the loop. So ERR of 1, 20. Like that, 30, 40. And whenever 50 is retrieving, can you please tell me what is I value? Exactly. Whenever I value is 4, okay, it is less than 5, enter into the loop, system.out.println, ERR of 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 50 will be retrieved. Okay. If we are writing I is less than or equal to 5, then one more iteration will be happening. Am I right or wrong? I value will be incremented to 5. Okay. Checking the condition, is 5 less than or equal to 5? Yes. So system.out.println ERR of 5. Is there any element present at 5th index position? Basically, that index position is only not there. So we'll be getting an exception. That is the only reason I have written less than 5. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand like that? Sir, can we write less than or equal to 4? Yeah, of course. You can write, no problem. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Okay, but as it will be easy for you to remember, I had written like 5. Like this, length, just I should be less than length of my array. That's it. Now right click, run as Java application, and I'll be getting my output as 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, like that. Okay, is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Now guys, do me a favor. What I want to do is I want to retrieve in a reverse order. Shall we do that? Retrieving the elements in a reverse order. Reverse. What is that? Okay. Using for loop. Guys, can you please help me? For tell me. Tell me. Come on. 5. Guys, how we can give 5 here? Is 5 index position present there? Don't do the mistakes. We should not be giving 5. Exactly. Int I equal to 4. Very good. After that, I should be greater than or equal to 0. Am I right or wrong? Greater than or equal to 0 and I minus. Now system.out.println ERR of I, like that. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be able to retrieve the elements in a reverse order. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Okay. Now guys, for loop will be working on index values. For loop when dealing with, okay, simply I'll be writing like this. For loop will be working on index values. Am I right or wrong, guys? Index values, yes, it is. Of course, it is working on index values, right? Okay, now let us try to implement system.out.println, retrieving the elements using for each loop. Guys, for each loop is also known as enhanced for loop. For each loop is also known as enhanced for loop. Guys, kindly please do remember one thing, okay? Enhanced for loop is introduced in Java 1.5. Guys, arrays, I mean, there are some drawbacks in arrays. You already know that. Like, I just gave you a small idea about drawbacks. How to overcome those drawbacks? Is there any concept present? Very good, Krishna. Is there any concept? Yes, yes, yes. Good. Guruvaya, Asus, Nikhil, Kumar. Yes, guys, there is a concept known as collection framework. Right. Now, guys, kindly please listen to me. Please listen to me. With the help of for loop, we can retrieve the elements from arrays and collections by using index values. One more time. With the help of for loop, we can retrieve the elements from arrays and collections also. Whenever we are dealing with collections, I will let you know that, like how to do that. Okay. One more time. With the help of for loop, we can, once again, with the help of for loop, we can retrieve the elements from arrays and what? We can retrieve the elements from arrays and collections. Yes, and collections basing on what? Basing on index values. Index values. Is the statement clear, guys, for everyone? Basing on index values. Yes. Now, guys, just like for loop in Java 1.5, a new loop has been given, that is enhanced for loop. Okay, what is the use of this enhanced for loop? Enhanced for loop is also used to retrieve the elements from arrays and collections, but enhanced for loop will not be working on index values. Will not be working on index values. That is, for each loop, guys, enhanced for loop or for each loop, both are same. Okay, for each loop will be working on streaming data. Streaming data means in which order the data is entered into the array, in the same order the data is retrieved. For example, let me try to give you the syntax of for each. For like this. Okay. Now, guys, whenever we are dealing with for loop, how many semicolons we will be writing? Two semicolons. Exactly. Whenever we are dealing with for each loop, we will not write at least one semicolon also. We will not write at least one semicolon also. Sir, then what we need to write? You need to write, what is that? Colon. You need to write a colon. Am I clear with this, guys? You need to write a colon. Now, guys, to the left side of this column, left side, you need to take a variable like integer, byte, int variable, byte variable, short, string, boolean, double, char, string, like that. You need to take a variable. Sir, which variable I need to take? What is the type of the array? What is the type of the array? Then here also take int. Here also take int. For example, if the type of the array is character, then char, then here also we need to take char. If the type of the array is a string, then here also take string. Did you understand, guys? Same type. And then what is the name of my array? Name of my array. Name, not type. Manoj. Name. ARR. Exactly. Just attach that array ARR like this. Just pass the name. That's it. Not more than that. And then system.out.println X. Simply I'm writing X. Right click, run as Java application. Am I getting the data? That's it. Am I using any index values here? Am I using any index values? No, no. Exactly, guys. I'll not be using any index values. Okay. Now, guys, kindly please do remember, as for each loop will not be working on index values, we cannot retrieve the data in a reverse order. We cannot retrieve the data in a reverse order by using for each loop. Okay, guys, simple here. For each loop will be working as an alternative to for loop. If you are concerned about the index values, then go to for loop. If you are not concerned about the index values, you just want to retrieve the data, then you can go with for each loop. As simple as this. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Please have this program. Please have this program. Please go ahead. Be fast. AIOB means array index out of bounds exception. We can write any character, Alpesh, no problem. Mangesh, check the program correctly. Check it correctly. It will be running. Don't worry. Check it correctly. Yes, up to line number 12 complete for everyone. No? Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Please, please, please. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Mahesh, yes. Please write, guys. Take time, no issues. No worries. Take time and write, please. Monica, please contact admin, Amma. Please contact admin. Guys, please check the syntaxes correctly. Please check the syntaxes correctly. If you're not writing the syntaxes correctly, you will be getting an error. Please check them correctly, please. Exactly, Mahesh. Completed? Come on, be fast, be fast. Ravi, here we are initializing the data, initializing a value. This is different, this is different. Okay. Basing upon initialization only, you will be getting your data. Check that correctly, Ravi. One more minute, just 1 minute, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. That's what, Nilesh, if we want to get a specific value for each loop, we cannot get that. Why? Because index values, no. I mean, for each loop will not be working on index values, right? Just a second, guys, just a second. Just a sec. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Right. Okay. So, guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. Is it done for everyone? Yes, 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 yes. All right, guys. All right, all right. Now, let me remove this. Let me remove this. I am removing everything now. Okay, I don't want to go with this one. So that is the reason my screen suddenly got off. I'm unable to communicate with you. Just a minute. Am I clear? Like, my screen is visible now? Yes, 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 yes. No, no, no. Your networks are fine. Your networks are fine. Even my network is also fine. Maybe like unfortunately some people had like my team has changed them from my host to attendee like that. Anyways, it's okay. No issues, no issues. Anyways, we are back. All right, guys. Now, what I want to do here is, guys, I want to give you a small task. Okay, just a small task. Can you do that for me? Right now, right now, right now. What I want you to do is, what I want you to do is 2 into, sorry, 2 into 1 equal to 2. Okay. 2 into 2 equal to 4. Okay. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Okay. So on, so on. 2 into 10 equal to 20. 2 into 10 equal to 20. Now, what I want you to do is write a program. Take a method, parameterizer method, void method 1. Take a parameterizer method and int number, any number. Okay. Whatever the parameter which you are giving, if I give 2 here, in my console, I want my output to be like that, exactly like that. Did you understand the question? I don't want 2, 4, 6, 8. No, not like that. Like this, I want. I want to see a table in the console. Can you write the code for that? Go ahead. Go ahead. Right now, write it. And give me the code in the chat. Give me the code in the chat. Deepraj, check the program correctly. You had written wrong. You had written wrong, Deepraj. Check the program correctly. Guys, do me a favor. Can you please tell me, did you understand the question? Did you understand the question? Respond. Respond. Okay. Guys, please respond here. Please respond. Okay. The question is, okay, guys, please observe here. The question is void method 1 and I'm taking it as int num. Okay. For example, if I'm trying to call that method. Okay. Now new class A dot method 1 and I'm giving my value as 9 or else 2. Let me go with 2. I'm giving the value as 2. Now, what I want you to do is you need to write the logic here. Write logic. You need to write your own logic. Okay. Use for loop. I'm giving you a hint also. Use for loop. Now, if I execute my program, I should be getting like this in the console. To table here. Did you got it? Did you understand now? Exactly like this. Exactly like this. Exactly like this. I don't want 2, 4, 6. No. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 2 into 3 equal to 6. I want like this. Please write the code. Deepraj, again I am saying you have written code wrongly. That is not correct. That is the only reason you are getting like that. Check the code correctly and then write the program. Right. Okay, guys, you please you give your outputs. Let me check. Please give. Okay. I'll wait for a minute. Just a minute, not more than that. Guys, remember whatever the logic which you are writing here inside this method, according to the input, you should not change the logic. For example, if I give 5 also, if I give 5, you should not change the logic, but I should be getting my output as 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3 like that. Please write the logic like that. Please write the logic like that. You should not change the logic basing upon the input. Whatever the input which you are giving, same logic should be applied for every input. Check it correctly, guys. All right. All right, guys. All right. All right. I am removing this. Now, please observe here. Please observe here. Okay. System.out.println printing printing or else why directly I'll be trying to write like this. Okay. System.out.println num plus into. Okay. Let me try to write first for loop. Let me try to write for loop for. Okay. Now I don't want this. Okay. For loop. Now two semicolons. Int I equal to 1. I want to start with 1 and I want to end with less than or equal to 10. And let me go with increment operator like this. Now system.out.println num. Okay. Plus. Okay. I. Okay. Plus string equal to plus, just a second. Okay. Plus num into I. Like that. Right click, run as Java application. That's it. Not more than that. Please check the code. Did you understand the code? Did you understand the code? Now, when I explain, like when I observed your code, guys, when I observed some people code, some people are directly writing instead of num, you are writing something like this too. You are writing like this, or else, for example, if you are giving 5, like this, okay, right now, if I execute my program, I'll be getting my output correctly right now. But if I give 6, then what happens? Right click, run as Java application. Did you understand? Guys, is it clear? Please respond. Please respond. Right. That is good. That is good. So that is the reason I'm saying you need to write a logic such that whatever the input which you are giving, you should be, the logic should be applied for any input. Now, let me explain this. Guys, simple here. What I told you, I want you to write a table. Okay. Generally, table in the sense it will start with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So what we need to increment up to 10. So that is the reason I have taken integer variable and I gave a condition that it should be incremented up to 10. System.out.println num. Num means whatever the number which you are written here, the same number will be printed. Plus, what is this, guys? What is that? That is a string value. Am I right or wrong? String, guys, that is a string. I am attaching an integer with a string. Guys, you already know this kind of concepts. For example, in class B, let me go to my main method. And if I'm trying to write, system.out.println, hi, hello, hello. And can I write plus 10 like this? Can I write like this? Yeah, this is a string value. I'm attaching it to 10. For example, can I write only a star like this? Yeah, of course, this is a string value and I'm attaching it with 10. In the same manner, plus means 9, num, 9 plus a symbol plus I. What is I value? 1 for the first iteration. 1 equal to, this is also I'm attaching, equal to simple multiplication. Num into 1, num into I. Num means number. Number into I. I means 1. I'll be getting my multiplication value. Is it clear, guys? Right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my output like this. Okay. I hope it's clear for everyone. Now, guys, I want to show you a small program. Okay. What I want you to do is write the code for that program first. Write the code first. Okay. And after writing the code, I'll be giving you directly. I'll be giving you the code. After writing the code, what I want you to do is analyze the output. Can you do that for me? What is the expected output you need to tell me? Okay. This is the program. This is the program. First, write the program and please don't guess. Analyze the program by your own. And please observe correctly. This is system.out.print, system.out.println. Print means, can you please tell me what is the difference between print and println? Print means the cursor will be present at the same line. Print ln means the cursor will be coming to the next line. Don't forget that. Please. Please. Go ahead. Go ahead. You please write it in notes. Write it in notes, this program. And tell me what is the output. And once again, I'm requesting you, please don't guess. Please don't guess. Analyze, analyze. That is just a line. I mean, I'm not printing anything, Asma. Analyze. All right. All right, guys. All right. All right. Fine. Fine. I'm getting my outputs. Most of the people gave me the correct outputs. Actually, that is very nice. Most of the people gave me the correct outputs. Okay. Let me copy this program. Let me copy this program to here. Now, guys, please check it. The output is right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my output as like this. First 1 star, after that 2, after that 3, after that 4, after that 5, like that. Most of the people gave me the correct answers, guys. Most of the people gave me the correct answers. Some people gave me like straight lines, single lines, but I hope you're understanding. And that is good, actually. That is good. Abhijit, you gave me in a reverse order. Why? All right. All right. Anyways, so guys, I think you got an idea. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Okay. Okay. And now, guys, anyone wants me to explain this? Explain this program? Okay, I am having 190 students here. If you want me to explain this program, please raise your hands in the Zoom. If you want me to explain this program, please raise your hands in the Zoom. Right, done. Okay, lower your hands, guys. Lower your hand, lower your hand. All right. Now, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. The concept is very, very simple. Okay, I'm having a method, display method. Okay, now display is a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? It is a parameterized method. Okay, now what is the value of n? Can you please tell me what is the value of n? N value is 5. Okay. N value is 5. N is equal to 5. Okay. Now, inside this method, first I am having for loop. Okay. This for loop starts from here, ends with here. Am I right or wrong? This for loop starts from here, ends with here. Okay. Now checking the condition. Guys, just follow the basics. That's it. Okay. Don't make it complicated. Don't make it complicated. Just follow the basics. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Let me make it easy for you, please. Now, just follow the basics. Inside this for loop, just a second, guys. Right. Now this is better. Now this is better. Now please observe inside this for loop. Okay. First, initialization. What is I value? I value is 0. Okay. I value is 0. Checking the condition. 0 is less than 5. N, guys, N value is 5. Checking the condition. 0 is less than 5. The condition is true. Condition is true. Okay. Enter into the for loop. Enter into the for loop. Now, inside this for loop, I am having one more statement. Okay, no issues. One more for loop, internal for loop. Okay, int j equal to 0. All right, fine. J equal to 0. Checking the condition, j should be less than or equal to I. Means what is j value? 0 should be less than or equal to I. What is I value? What is I value? I value is also 0. Is this condition true? The condition is true. Enter into the for loop. Second for loop. System.out.print star and a space. Star and a space. The cursor will be here only. Cursor will be at the first line only. Why? Because print. We are using print. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Okay. Now, after that, what will be happening? You know, inside the second for loop, are there any statements left behind? No, there are no statements left behind. So, after executing line number 11, our compiler will be going to line number 9, J++. Am I right or wrong? So J value will be incremented to, J value will be incremented to 1. Checking the condition. I should be less than or equal to 0. Is this condition true? No, the condition is false. As the condition is false, will the compiler enter into this loop? No, it will not enter into the loop. So directly line number 13 will be getting executed. What is line number 13? System.out.println means from here, our cursor will be coming to the next line, new line. Is it clear, guys? Right. Now, after executing line number 13, are there any statements left behind? No. So from line number 13, can you please tell me where my compiler will be going? Tell me the line number. Exactly. Line number 7, I++. Means I value will be incremented to 1. Checking the condition. 1 is less than 5. Is this condition true? Yep, the condition is true. Enter into the for loop. Second for loop. Again, this will be initialized. Guys, one more time we are coming here. Am I right or wrong? So again, J value is 0. J value is 0. J should be less than or equal to 1, means 0 should be less than or equal to I. What is I value? What is I value, guys? I value is 1. Checking the condition. Condition is true. Enter into the loop. System.out.println star and a space. Right now the cursor will be like that. After that, J plus plus. J value will be incremented to 1. Is this condition true? Yes. Again, the condition is true. Enter into the loop. System.out.println, print star and a space, like that. So right now the cursor is here. After that, again J value will be incremented to 2. Condition is true or false? Right now the condition is false. If the condition is false, inner for loop will be terminated. And first for loop, system.out.println means from here our cursor will be coming to like this. Like that, remaining also will be getting printed. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Is it clear? Like that. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good. That is nice. That is nice. Okay. Now, guys, how many types of control statements are there? 3. Selection, iteration, and jump statements. So we have seen selection statements and iteration statements also. Let us try to work with jump statements. Guys, actually jump statements very simple here. Literally I'm saying very, very simple. Just please observe here, void method 1. I'm having a method. Now just let me try to take a for loop. For inside the for loop, int I equal to 1 and I should be less than or equal to 10 and I plus plus. Now here, if I is equal to 5, break. If I is equal to 5, break. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me try to write like this. Break. And here, system.out.println I value plus I, and system.out.println compiler came out from for loop. And let me go to my main method. Now inside my main method, I'll be trying to write syso start, and let me try to create an object, new class A dot method 1 and system.out.println end, like that. Now guys, observe the code. Tell me what is my output right now. Did you remember whenever we are dealing with switch case statement, I told you what is the use of break statement. Did you remember that? Break statement, whenever the compiler came across break statement, the program will not be terminated. It will come out from the block. It will come out from the loop, I told you. Did you remember that? The program will not be terminated. Datta, very good. It will come out from the loop, I told you. Okay, guys, please observe here. For example, if I call this method, first start will be printed. After that, line number 20, you are calling method 1. So directly our compiler will be coming to method 1. Int I equal to 1, okay. Checking the condition, I should be less than or equal to 10. The condition is true. Enter into the loop. When this block will be getting executed? When this block will be getting executed? If I value is 5, then only we need to worry about this block. But as of now, I value is 1 only. So this condition is false. Directly system.out.println 1. After that, it will be incremented 2, 3, 4. Whenever I value becomes 5, compiler will be entering into this if it will came across break statement. Now, what I told you guys, if the compiler came across break statement, it will come out from the loop I told you. Am I right? So up to 4, it will be printed. Line number 15 will be printed or not? Line number 15 will be printed or not? Very good. It will be printed. And after that, end. So our output should be start, first start, I value 1, 2, 3, 4. Compiler came out from for loop and end. Am I right or wrong? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Now, for example, if I write continue, guys, whenever the compiler came across continue, remaining statements which were present in the loop will not be getting executed. Directly, it will be going to increment or decrement operator. Can you tell me what is my output? Once again, I'm saying you, whenever the compiler came across continue, remaining statements which are present inside the loop will not be getting executed. They will be skipped. Means I value will be printed up to 10, but without 5. Without 5. Are you observing here, guys? See, yeah, that's what. Whenever I value becomes 5, the compiler came across continue and remaining statements, it will be skipped. Directly, it will be going to increment or decrement operator. For example, if I write return, now what is my output? If I write return, what is my output? You already know this. You know this. Sir, can we write a return statement inside a void method? Yeah, we can write. Guys, did you remember I told you whenever the compiler came across return statement, it will directly come back to the calling method I told you. Yes. So first start will be printed. I value will be printed up to 4. Line number 17 will be getting executed. No. No, 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 no. It will not be getting executed, guys. Whenever it came across return statement, immediately it will be coming to line number 22. And after that, line number 23 will be getting executed. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? What is the use of like break, continue, and return? Right. Guys, do me a favor. Can you please have this program and get ready for a task? I want to give a small program as a task for you. Can you do that for me? Please have this program first. Be fast, be fast. Whenever the compiler came across continue statement, the rest of the statements which were present in the block will not be getting executed. They will be skipped. Please be fast. Just a second, just a second. Let others also write the code. Please wait, please wait. One more minute. Just one more minute. Right, right. All right, guys. I hope it's complete for everyone. I hope it's complete for everyone. Now, task. Please have this program first. Please have this program first. Use shortcuts. Don't give me fast output. Give me correct output. Please give me correct output. Give me correct output. Very easy. Very easy. Don't make it complicated. Okay, very good. Very good from Anand. Okay. Deepraj. Yes, that is good. That is good. Okay, guys, this is the output. This is the output for our program. I want you to analyze this program output, like how we are getting the output by your own. Can you do that for me? Note down the output. Note down the output. First, note down the output. You note down the output and just observe like why we are getting mixed outputs. You can observe that. Just analyze it. Analyze it. Yeah, guys, like most of the people gave me the outputs. That is very impressive. But some people gave me like wrong outputs. So that's the reason I have pasted the output here. Okay, guys. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. All right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. So we'll be trying to continue with our sessions again by tomorrow, guys. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. I hope you have enjoyed our session. So tomorrow we'll be trying to start with entirely a new concept, guys. Entirely a new concept. Okay. Guys, tomorrow class is there. Who said class is not there? Tomorrow I'll be keeping the class, maybe day after tomorrow. Maybe day after tomorrow I may give a leave day after tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll keep a class. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Yes. Tomorrow I'll be, but I'll be taking a class, but slowly. Tomorrow will be like slowly will be there. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you for listening.